Hello everyone, this is Satvik and I'm back again with a new video, and in this video we'll discuss about how to identify and get rid of these phishing attacks. So without getting any delay, let's dive into the video. So guys, if you're new to my channel, do check out my previous videos as well. I had made various videos on bug bounty, ethical hacking, and also on these awareness videos. So do check them out, and if you really care for someone, so do share these videos so that they can learn and they can prevent themselves from these kinds of attacks. So guys, this is a short video, and as always, so we'll quickly dive into the video. So as we discussed, so this is not all about how to do a phishing attack, but mostly about how you can prevent from the phishing attacks, and also not to become a victim of a phishing attack, right? So mostly you can see the phishing is a social engineering attack, so everyone knows that. So what happens is you get a mail or you get a message saying that you had won something, or say that you got a something, right? So they're mostly tempting, and we need to be really careful because these can collect some important data, like they can hack your device sometimes, or they can collect your mostly your sensitive data. Suppose someone had sent you a fake phishing link for a Facebook, then you'd enter the password and username, and then gone, your account is gone, completely gone. So that is the reason why you need to get rid of this phishing attack. So there is a wonderful websites that I'm going to showcase, and before, mostly you need to keep in mind that phishing doesn't happen mostly through in person. Like, no attacker comes to you and gives you an link in person, right? Mostly he'll be behind a computer. He might be sending from a mail or from any WhatsApp or anything else, right? And sometimes there is a possibility that some of your friends or relatives email might be hacked, and there could be possibility that they could be the attacker pretends that they are sending this, right? So you need to be careful. So the first thing, most of the phishing goes through the email crime. So I'll leave you a video in the description cards, or in the description below. Do check that video, so which detailedly explains you about how to get rid of these phishing mails, right? And then, as I told you, there is another possibility that you can't always get a phishing mail. It could be through the communication, or it could be through some way other mail, other a normal mail. So mostly, so whenever you get a link or anything else, so the first and the best thing you need to do is navigate to the safeweb.norton.com. So this is an initiative that's being managed by the Norton. So if you know, Norton is a antivirus program. So let's think that there is my Twitter account. Let's see, I'm not using any phishing link in this case, but I'll show you what happens. So let's think this is my Twitter ID. So if you don't follow me, if you haven't followed me, do follow. I'm sharing some good content over here, and you can enter this link over here, any website or anything, and if you simply hit enter, so it tries to tell you whether that particular website is genuine or not. Okay, so, and mostly guys, if you don't know, mostly the phishing mails will be in an shortened format, so be careful with that. So enlarge, so there are something like URL shortening removers or something like that, so remove that and do check that out. And one more thing is, so this is fine. If it is not good, then it will show you it's not safe. Okay, so you need to make decisions on that, on the output that is being provided. And also, an important website to be noted is virustotal.com. If you know, VirusTotal is a good website that helps you in detecting the malwares and stuff. So here in the URL section, you can go over here and you can paste it a link over here, and you can see whether the particular link is safe or not. So what the VirusTotal do is, so let's think there are some n number of antiviruses. So this VirusTotal has some connection with those, and all these antiviruses and stuff will check that. Okay, so you can see that particular thing is clean. You can see it is clean, it is being rated, it is safe. Okay, so you can go ahead, you can go to the details, and you can see what is all the information about this particular link. So I haven't used any phishing link, right? So I'm just showing on a normal link how the normal link looks like. So if you get anything like even one thing gets detected, be careful with that. Don't open that website. Simply block that, report that spam, and then leave that, right? And you can see it is a good thing there is no antivirus or no internet security software detected this particular link or a website or anything like that as a malware. So this is the first thing you need to do. And not only phishing is like they not only send you a link, they sometimes send you some softwares, right? Something like I got recently a phishing mail saying that Satvik, you had won a VMware license, so install this particular application provided, attach it to this mail, and if you run that, then your software is like you get your unlimited time for your VMware. So that is mostly scam because I was able to identify through the email. So as I told you, email header analysis. And sometimes let's think you got a mail from, you are unable to detect that particular email as a phishing email, and you want to search whether the application or the thing that is being sent is a malware or not. Then the only best thing is you can again use virusturtle.com. so here in this you can get something like file over here, right? You can choose a file. Okay, let's think we got an image. And let's see confirm upload. So I'm not showing on any thing like that. I'm just showing on normal things. So if you're really curious and if you're really interested to check them out, so do create your own malwares and you can test them out. You can see it is undetected because it is nothing an image. But be careful guys, images are also stuffed with some malware, right? So you can see it's being not flagged, right? And we'll do one more thing, just a minute. So I'll go to personal, important software. So these are some softwares that I use. Let me open some. So let's think I got I uploaded a file, and you can see it is not being detected, and you can go to the details and you can see various hashes, and you can see what are all the things that are going over here. So that is everything guys for this video, and this video is mostly for awareness because phishing is everywhere. Phishing is everywhere. You can see tons of I get like tons of emails saying that you won this, you won the lottery, you won this, you won that. So all those are not possible. So no one gives you anything for free, remember that thing. And there are no such thing like easy way to earn anything. Okay, so putting this in mind, so I'm going to end this video, and I hope you really like this video, and do share this video with your friends and family members who do you care most, and so that they can get themselves unattacked from this phishing and stuff. So really thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you really like this video. So this is Satvik signing off, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.